Hello there. Today I have decided to start using properly my colours that I have bought recently in the Deco Art Extreme Sheen range. I managed to get quite a few of them locally. You can order them from anywhere in New Zealand. I will put a link to her website down in my description. Jackie's Craft Store. And she has her store in Inglewood, but I am able to pick the goods up here, which is wonderful, no postage. When I was looking for the Deco Art paints online, the best I could do outside of what I found was Amazon, and it was going to cost me between $25 and $30 for each one because of the shipping cost. So to get these for $5.70 each, and in my case no shipping, is good value for New Zealand. So if you, as I said, if you live here in New Zealand, by all means check out the website. So I've got those two colours made up, Ruby and Deep Sapphire. And I've made them up a little bit thinner than what I normally do because I'm going to do a blow dryer pour again, not a Dutch pour, because I'm not going to put a cushion of white down, but I'm only going to do a very small amount of each paint because I want to try and do a type of a very ghost pale, yeah, I know what I want and I'll see if I can get it. So I'll start now. And that's it. I'm going to use a straw just to finish blowing out some little bits of it, but that's basically what I want. Just that sort of minimalist look with the two colours so pretty together. Okay, that swipe, blow dryer swipe, wasn't quite what I wanted. It was close to, but now I'm going to do a comparison one. I've put more of my Jazz Art white paint down onto another canvas, and I'm going to do another pour like I've just done, but this time I'm going to do it as a Dutch pour, putting the cushion of white down around it to blow over it to see the difference, because I know the big difference should be, if I'm right, the cells that I get from the Extreme Sheen metallic paints. So I'll start now. Let's see what cells I can make now. No. Okay, well that experiment was certainly not what I expected. There are a few more cells, and some lacing, because I did use the torch quite a bit on the other one as well. I will get them now and I will put them side by side. So here are my two canvases side by side. The first one I did and the second one that I did. I love them both, but for different reasons. The first one I did just as a swipe. I'll just move this out of the way a little in case there are any drips. Okay, now this one I did just as a blow dryer swipe. It has got some cells and a little bit of lacing, and the colours are so vibrant. Thank you, Sue Kleinsmith in Australia. You told me that the ruby was beautiful, and I absolutely agree with you. It is such a pretty colour. And the second one, which I did as a Dutch pour, with the cushion of white blowing over the top first, is more muted, but I love it because it's got the lacing, which is so pretty. And also in this patch here you've got the ruby and the blue merging in to almost make a purple lavender colour. Oh, I'm going to be dripping onto my other canvas, so I really need to put that back down again. So there are the two canvases. There we go, a quick lesson in how to blow out a drip. I'll just have to hope that that merges in better. Though I will definitely be keeping those, and one of these days when I get around to it, I'm going to try doing two canvases together, and I'm going to do a similar pattern like this with the blow dryer. Possibly even one day try doing a triptych with the three canvases together. But I've really enjoyed doing these, and I hope you've enjoyed watching it. So once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.